Good morning everyone. In this class we will learn how to transform sentences of past continuous tense. How to convert sentences of past continuous tense from active to passive. Okay. So in previous videos you have already learned the sentences of different tenses, that how they are converted from active to passive. Okay. So this class is all about the sentences of past continuous tense. Okay. So look at the example below. He was writing a letter. Okay. So this is the sentence of past continuous tense. First of all, what we have to locate in the given sentences, okay, for converting from active to passive, that is the object. The very first thing that we have to locate in the sentence. Why? Because that becomes the subject in passive. So he was writing a letter. A letter is the subject here. So a letter will come to the place of subject. A letter is object here. So this will become subject in passive. So this has been brought here. Bring it. Let it come to the place of subject. A letter was being written by him. Look at the rules that I have written for affirmative, negative and interrogatives, right? So a letter was being written. First of all, subject, and then was, were according to number and person of the subject. Okay, and then being, and then third form of the main verb, and then by plus object. So a letter is a singular subject, so this will be here followed with the auxiliary was. A letter was being written by him. That's how we have to convert, because he is the subject here and the objective case of he will be him. Okay, that's how we have to do it. Now example number 2. Look at the next example. Okay, they were not playing football. Okay, so what is the object here? They were not playing. What not playing? The answer will be your object. That's how we have to locate object in the given sentences. Okay, so football was not, because the sentence is negative. Okay, in negative sentences we have to add not, not, okay, after the helping verbs was and were. Okay, so how this will go on? The passive structure. Football was not being played. By whom? By them. Them is the objective case of they. So that's how we have to convert negative sentences of past continuous tense. Now look at some interrogative sentences. Was he learning English? Here English is the object, so this will come to the place of subject in passive. Let it come here, but the sentence is interrogative, so here helping verbs will be written in the beginning of sentences. Okay, so English is here singular subject, so this will be followed, this will be preceded with the auxiliary was English being. Where is the place of being? It comes just after the subject. So here the subject is English now in passive. So was English being learned by him? Him is the objective case of he is the subject in active, so this will become object in passive. Okay, and the objective case of he is him. Now next example, how was she singing a song? Right? So here the object is a song. A song will be brought to the place of subject. This will become the subject in passive. Okay, so as this particular sentence is WH interrogative, in case of WH interrogatives, what we have to do? Okay, the passive structure will also begin with the same WH word. So here the WH word is how. So how will be written in the beginning. Okay, so how was a song being sung? After how, after WH words, we have to write helping verbs. Was were according to number and person of the subject. So how was a song? Because a song is a singular subject, that is why here it will be preceded with the helping verb was. How was a song being sung by her? How was a song being sung by her? Sung is the third form of sing. Okay, and by her. Her is the objective case of she. Okay, that's how we have to convert interrogative sentences from active to passive. Now next example, who was teaching you English? Who was teaching you English? Here the object is English, so this will become subject in passive. So sentences that begins with who, okay, you know there are two different ways that we can follow for converting from active to passive. Okay, so passive structure will begin with by whom. Remember, that's very important. By whom were you being taught English? By whom were you? After by whom, what will be coming up there? Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. Okay, so here the subject, you will become subject in the passive. So by whom were you being taught? Were you being taught what? English. By whom were you being taught English? And then the question mark. The sentence will be ending with the sign of interrogation, with a question mark. Now there is one more way for converting such interrogative sentences that begins with who. Okay, so another way is there. In the beginning only WH word who will be written, and by will be written in the end. By will be written in the end. Who are you being taught? That's how, sorry, who were you being taught? Who were you being taught? First of all we have to write who, and then there comes the helping verb according to number and person of the subject. Who were you being taught English? And what about by? By will be written in the last. Okay, who were you being taught English by, and then the sentence will be ending in question mark, will be ending with the sign of interrogation. Okay, that's how we have to convert sentences of past continuous tense from active to passive. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you next with some another topic of grammar.